my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I actually finished making a reel for my Instagram, which was like a very quick fun makeup look that I created. And I realized while I was putting the red lipstick, I thought, okay, oh my god, like this red lipstick is something, it's my holy grail. It's just for $5. It's actually a little bit under $5, and it is the perfect dupe for a lot of high-end red lipsticks out there. And I thought, why not just sit here, chat very quickly, and let you guys know about this thing which I hold very close to my heart. This is the lipstick that gives me most compliments every time I'm wearing this, and I'm mostly wearing this red lipstick. I wear red lipstick every day, and most of the time people ask me what I'm wearing. So the lipstick that I'm talking about is from Essence. This is the 8-Hour Matte Liquid Lipstick. You get 3 ml of this product and you pay $4.99, so let's say $5. So it is a liquid lipstick, so it comes in a tube form, and then it's, you know the drill, you get like a doe foot applicator, and we will talk about all of that in a bit. But just to quickly say, they have 9 shades to choose from, and this was like the only red shade. This is my second tube. Now coming to the formula, it doesn't really have a scent particularly, nothing overpowering, nothing strong, so it should be perfect for sensitive nose. The formula is quite runny. It is a liquid lipstick, like I said, so you have to be very careful when you apply it. So you need steady hands, or you can always use a lip liner. I personally don't, because I am now habitual to using red lipstick every day. But the formula is a bit runny and it dries down pretty quick. The color payoff is amazing, so it's just like one swipe application. So there you go, that's just like one swipe, and that is full coverage. On my hand it takes a while to dry down, but I'm going to quickly show you that in comparison with MAC Ruby Woo, and I'm doing that because I think this is like a universal shade that a lot of people are aware of when it comes to red lipstick. So I'll just swatch that next to Ruby Woo, and we let that dry down a little bit just so that you guys can have like a better comparison of the shade. Now let's talk about the formula. So this is like any other liquid lipstick, little bit drying. It is 100% matte, so there's like no shine whatsoever. It's absolutely transfer free, so that is one of the things which I love. And if I am using a red lipstick, I make sure that it doesn't transfer, it doesn't budge, and it doesn't make me look like very awkward at the end of the day if I've been running around. So that's absolutely perfect on that aspect. If you have dry lips, you might want to use a lip balm underneath. I usually have very hydrated lips because I use the Laneige overnight lip sleeping mask every day. So when I wake up, sometimes I scrub my lips, sometimes I don't, but then I don't have any flaky or chipping feeling with this lipstick. But that's only because my lips are well hydrated. I'm sure if I would have dry lips, this might chip or this might feel like it settles in the cracks. So make sure that you're using a lip balm underneath. Now, if you are a person who doesn't like the formula of absolutely dry matte lipsticks, then this is not for you. And it complements a lot of skin tones. It could be like a universal shade, but more towards, I would say, Sephora 01, or let's say Fenty Beauty Uncensored. And even though people rave a lot about MAC Ruby Woo, I find that formula very, very dry and very, very chalky to apply on the lips, and it definitely enhances my cracked lips. The color staying power is not that long, whereas this one stays throughout the day. For me, it doesn't budge even if I wear a mask. Like I said, it's 100% transfer proof. And the only drawback is when you eat something very oily, it might go off from the inside of the lips. But for me, again, it's not a problem because I don't expect so much out of $5 lipstick. And again, it is a very good dupe for a lot of reds out there. It's just very economical. It is something that you guys can definitely try, and if you all don't like, then it doesn't feel like it's burned a hole in your pocket. There are total 9 shades. This is the darkest or the red color that they have. The others are more nudes. They have some peaches, some pinks, and some brick brown colors, so definitely have a look. For this formula, you might expect a lot of shade range, but it's Essence, and I think Essence usually knows like the target, and they don't come up with like 20 shades or 25 shades. They are actually mostly limited, as much as I have experienced with the brand. This is MAC Ruby Woo again, and this is very similar to that, but maybe you just want to still swatch it and see how it feels. And even on my skin right now, I don't know if the camera is going to pick that up, but this shade right here, the Bullet lipstick from MAC, it somehow is like a little bit chalky, and the finish is not so even, but this is extremely pigmented, and it's just like one swipe application, so you just need one coat. You don't even have to go over again, and you cannot build this too much because it is a matte lipstick and the formula sort of dries down by the time you apply the second coat, but it's very comfortable to wear. And also from my point of view, because I have used matte lipsticks for the longest time, for me I find this quite comfortable as compared to a lot of other matte lipsticks that I've used in the past. So I can say definitely it is worth a try, and for $4.99 you cannot go that wrong. I just don't know why people don't talk about this enough, because I see a lot of these TikTok viral videos where people talk about these hacks, and they talk about like the holy grail products which have transformed their lives. But it's so surprising that nobody actually talks about this lipstick. So if there's anyone that you would want to suggest to try this on TikTok or on Instagram, so please go ahead and do that. This video is absolutely not sponsored. It's just that I know how difficult it is to find a red lipstick that suits you. And I thought, oh my god, this is such a universal color and it's going to flatter almost every skin tone. Like I said, it's like one of these universal reds. So please go ahead, and if you are looking for a red lipstick, just give it a shot and let me know in the comment section below how you find it. That's my review for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it useful. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come out with a new video. I'm sending you lots of love. Bye-bye.